Hi, Dave and Linda here from New Jersey. We're nearing the end of our 30-day road trip, um, which wouldn't have been possible without a shout out for our guy Bill Westrom from Truth and Equity. 5 years ago, we changed our lives, made all of this possible. It, I can't stress enough what he's done for us in this time that we've known him. He changed our way of thinking about money. He changed our way about how we handle ourselves, and we didn't stop living. We just
And the whole while, I kept looking for the catch, the click and bait, like there's got to be a reason they're doing this. And the reason is it changed our lives and made it so much better. There was no catch. I'm the skeptic. There was no catch. Just do it.
I think our only regret was I sat on this information for 7 years.
We didn't do it sooner.
And I just thinking it can't be true, but it is.
Yes.
Changed our lives. We paid for the house within 3 years, paid for 2 kids going through college.
Bought a rental property this year, about to buy our second rental property. Doing very, very well. Really life-changing. Don't hesitate. Just do it.
Yeah, do yourself a favor. Call Bill Westrom, Truth and Equity.
Make it happen.
Thanks, Bill.